Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to discuss about the commerce stream. This video will going to help you in deciding whether the commerce is a good option to choose as a stream or not. So now firstly we will discuss what commerce is all about. Commerce is directly or indirectly linked with business, especially with the distribution aspect. Commerce helps in creating a proper distribution channel and creates a market for surplus commodities. In commerce, you all study about the management. Okay, so commerce is known as the backbone of every nation because commerce performs an important role in economic development of a country. No nation can grow without the growth of commerce. In today's scenario, commerce has become the most favorable career option or career choice. So, as we know, everyone wants to work in a field which provides good income or good earning. So students look at your surroundings and observe who are the highest paid employees in a company. The answer is obviously employees who are working in the management department are highly paid persons or employees. Students, I have seen many cases in which after getting many degrees, people do courses related to management. So why not to study management from the starting level or the beginning level, that is from the 11th standard itself? So now we will discuss the reasons for choosing commerce. So first reason for choosing commerce is different subjects. While choosing commerce as a stream, you will make yourself familiar with the different subjects like accountancy, business studies, economics, English and mathematics. Okay. So second reason is wide scope. You have many career options when you choose this stream. Okay, we will discuss about these options in upcoming slides. So the third reason for choosing commerce is application in day-to-day life. Study is of no use, student, if you are not able to use your knowledge in your day-to-day life. By choosing this stream or studying these subjects, you can apply its knowledge in your day-to-day life. Okay, so fourth reason is innovation. By studying these subjects, you start thinking innovative ideas will come in your mind automatically because commerce stream contains practical subjects such as economics, accountancy and business studies. So innovative ideas automatically will start coming in your mind. Okay, so the next reason is explore to the business environment. You can easily understand business environment while studying these subjects because you will let to know about every aspect of business in the business studies subject. Okay, so sixth one is increases mental ability. Your mental ability become very stronger while studying these subjects like accountancy, business studies and economics. Okay, because these are very practical subjects, so your mental ability will increases automatically. So now we will discuss about the subjects. Okay, there are total 5 subjects in a commerce stream such as English, accountancy, business studies, economics and mathematics, or we can say maths. Okay, if you don't want to study this subject means mathematics, you can choose any other subject. Okay, you can select any other subject which your school provides you in the place of this subject means mathematics. Okay, so now we will discuss about the principal subjects of commerce stream. Okay, so three subjects are there: accountancy, economics and business studies. You are already familiar with the English and mathematics. Okay, so we will discuss about these three subjects: accountancy, economics, and business studies. Okay, so firstly we will discuss about the accountancy. Okay, we will discuss short points of these subjects. Okay, so by studying accounts or accountancy, you will gain advanced theoretical and practical knowledge of accounting and finance. Okay, you will get to know about investment and many other interesting topics. Accountancy provides you with skills and knowledge that can be applied to the number of industries. Okay, so after studying this, you can work as an accountant, as there are many businesses in the world. So your skills are always in demand. Okay, you can work as an accountant anytime because there are many industries are running. Okay, in today's time. So it's all about the accountancy subject. Okay, now we will discuss about the economics. Okay, the study of economics helps you in understand the world around you. Okay, it seeks to explain what derives human behavior, decisions, and reactions when faced with difficulties. Okay, in simple words we can say that economics is a study, okay, study of selecting or choosing things, because we know that resources are very limited. Okay, and our demands and needs are unlimited. So economics basically tells us how to use that limited resources to fulfill our unlimited desires and needs. Okay, so that our maximum needs and desires can be fulfilled with that limited resources. Okay, so you will study economics in two parts in your 12th standard, that is microeconomics and macroeconomics. Microeconomics is a study of individuals, whereas macroeconomics is the study of aggregates. Okay, if we see from an individual perspective, economics frames many choices. We have to make about choices about work, consumption, and how much money to save. Okay, so our lives are also influenced by the macroeconomic trends such as inflation, interest rates, and economic growth. Okay, so it's all about the economics subjects. And now the turn is of business studies. So business studies, while in business studies you will get to know about each and every aspect of business. As we know, future is uncertain, and because of this only business is also uncertain. Business studies helps you to know how to manage things. Okay, business studies tell you how to manage things in this uncertain environment. Okay, how you can work effectively and efficiently to achieve your target. Okay, it prepares you for the professional environment. It will gives you knowledge about the investment and finance also. Okay, so we know that if someone runs a business, okay, so he or she must have any aim. Okay, behind an every business or economic activity, we know the main motive is to earn profit. So business studies tells you how to work in an uncertain environment so that you can achieve that aim. Okay, effectively and efficiently, by working effectively and efficiently. So here is the list of courses you can do after your 12th. Okay, Bachelor of Commerce means BCom honors or BCom pass. Bachelor of Management Studies means BMS. Bachelor of Business Studies BBS. Bachelor of Business Management or Administration means BBM or BBA. Or Chartered Accountancy CA, or you can do Company Secretary Program, that is CS. So here are some well defined career opportunities. Okay, you can go for after studying these commerce subjects. Okay, you can work as a chartered accountant means CA, CS, CMA means cost and management accountant, business administrator. You can work as a chief executive officer, human resource manager, retailing manager, marketing manager, or sales manager. Okay, so here are some examples of opportunities you can go you can work as this. Okay, so I hope your all queries get cleared. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. So students, you can choose this field if you have real interest in these subjects. Okay, because these are very interesting subjects, very practical subjects. So best of luck for the future. Thanks for watching this video.